Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to print old PDF. Okay, so first in the on create we will call a method listeners. Okay, and in this method we will create listener for this button. So old print button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will call a method print PDF. And here old print edit text dot get text dot to string semicolon, and press alt enter here and create method in the old print activity. Okay, so using this we will call a method print PDF with the value that will be given in the edit text. Okay, so this value will indicate which PDF you want to print as per this invoice number. Okay, so enter here, and here we will write the code. So to retrieve the value we need to create one another database reference. Retrieve reference equal to, just put semicolon here, and in this print PDF we will assign the value. So retrieve reference equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child, and child will be record dot child. Okay, and child will be retrieve reference dot add value event listener, new value event listener. First put semicolon here, and now we need to write code here. So first we need to create objects for invoice number, customer name, date, time, fuel type, etc. Okay, so just go to the upside, and here we will create objects for the invoice number, long invoice number, customer name, okay. So we have all the objects, and in this on data change invoice number equal to this snapshot dot child invoice number get value. Okay, customer name equal to string snapshot dot child database date long snapshot dot child get value. Now fuel quantity, we need to pass this into double, so double dot parse double, and here press alt enter and wrap using string dot value of amount double dot parse double again press alt enter, and so now we have all the values in these objects, and now we can just try to make PDF. So you don't need to write codes again, you can just go to the main activity and here copy from this print PDF, copy, paste. Okay, and you need to do some minor changes. For example, plus customer name. Okay, and here for this fuel type, fuel type, fuel quantity, and delete this amount, this date pattern format, new date, and date will be database date dot get time, and here old print activity dot this dot get dir, and here we can use invoice number plus this. Okay, so I think everything is done. Let's try to run this. Okay, one thing we have left, so we need to create intent to go to the next activity. So for that, main activity, and here we need to create intent object, and that we will do here. Okay, intent. Okay, so again let's try to run. And now click this print, and we have made one more mistake in this old print activity, and that is assign the value to this data table. So here in the onCreate, data table equal to find view by ID, data underscore table. Okay, so hope this time it will run. So after many errors I have resolved, and the first we need to change this to string dot value of. So press alt enter here, and don't use this cast, just use string dot value of. The second is here we need to remove this +1. Okay, now run this. Here you can see the application is running, and in the storage we have only one PDF. And now in the application, click on this print button, put any invoice number, for example 3, and print. Okay, now you can see we have this PDF. Okay, so this is the PDF. So friends, this is enough for this video. If you like my effort, then please hit like button and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, then you can write that in the comment box below. I will try to resolve if it will be possible. So thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.